itong political life ngayon. The president is not really, yung sabihin mo, abusado. It would not be a fair comment na ano. Hindi naman talaga masamang tao si Presidente Marcos. But I seldom mention the names of the other side of the fence. But dito wala kasi akong wala man tayong, there's no reason for us to be scared or oppression. Kasi wala man akong nakikita na yung tendency of a president to be abusive and would condone itong wrongdoing. Wala akong nakikita dyan. So, in this coming election, I hope that the president, kung marinig niya ako, bigyan na lang tayo ng, sabi ko, a fair shake of patas lang ang laban. Wala lang, he will not allow, kagaya ko noon, nagprangka-prangka ako sa mga tayo, yung na huwag kayong pumasok sa takutan pati yung sa violence. It's not good. Let us keep democracy as was handed down to our parents. Yung i-preserve natin yung legacy na binigay nila sa atin. Although in the course of time, it was not really perfect. Pero we'll be able to maintain this kind of environment politically.